Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. We are going to use this Gmail ID for this purpose. To confirm, click on the gear icon and then click on the See All Settings option. Go to the Accounts and Import section. Here you can see my send mail as is this. To show you how it works, we'll be using this email address. Let's compose a new email. Now keep in mind, this is our original Gmail address, and we are going to create a variant of this by replacing the gmail.com part at the end. Instead of Gmail, you need to write Google Mail. All emails sent to this newly created email address will be received in the inbox of the original email. Let us show you how. Put this newly created email in the recipient field and enter an arbitrary subject. Then we will send the email. Now the email is sent. We will check the inbox. Let me show you. This is the inbox of the original email address. Open the email we received and click on this small arrow. The receiver in the To field is the newly created email. There is a second method as well, which is even better. Suppose this is your actual email address. This time, you need to add a plus sign and any word or number. Here we've written +blog. Any email sent to this newly created email address will be visible in the inbox of the original email address. Let's see how it works. We are going to send an email to this newly created email address, add an arbitrary number, and click on the Send button. As you can see, we have received a new email on this email address. Even though the recipient of this email is the newly created email address, we still received it on the original email. You can use this method when signing up on a new website. You can use this as your registered email instead of the original email address. Just like this, you can create multiple emails for multiple platforms. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.